Welcome to IRP for the first race of the playoffs. For me, sorry, yeah. Last week at IRP, Hudson Boulevard won the race, and guess who was your Season 2 champion? Stuart Friesen. Here we go. The green flags in here were underway for the first race of the playoff. Well, Hocevar always in the air, on top of Carr and Smith. Friesen is upside down. Alright, I'll back. Have you gone? Here you go, back underway. Clapton. Oh, he's upside down. That looks very similar to his 2017 Daytona flip. Here we go. We're back underway. 2 more laps to go. Ingram wins. Oh, he's in the air. He's upside down. Smith is upside down. It's the grandstands. Oh my gosh, that thing. Hold it. Hey, meet everyone alright. Here we go. 2 more laps to go. They'll take the white flag. White flag, 1 lap to go. Albon will take the lead. And he'll win an IRP. Have no further to burn out. And I will see you tomorrow for Milwaukee.